What's going on, Crowd Perception Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, yes, we have another unboxing. Alright, today, y'all, as y'all can see, this is a special GoPro edition today of our unboxing. I'm trying to kind of like, trying to do some more videos with the GoPro. I kind of like the GoPro. I see like the wide angle, the cinematic view option you have on the GoPro. So definitely, kind of liking it, and gonna see if I can try to work with the GoPro. Okay, if this is your first time on the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And that's because for the algorithm of the channel, and also just to remind you guys when I do have other videos that comes up for the future. Okay, today's gonna be a quick video today. Okay, I have an unboxing of something that I've been wanting to get, of course. All right, as y'all know, I started my own music label. It's called Iambic Music Label. So now I'm just starting just slowly. I'm just seeing where I could take this as far as with the music industry. I've actually been in the music industry in the past, doing shows, throwing shows, booking artists in the past. This when I was probably like 10, 12 years ago, long time ago when I was younger. But I do want to actually, get back to that. So that's why I decided to create my own music label. All right, and but first thing first, okay. I had just bought a it's called a music studio. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a music studio. It's AXCESS ABLES music studio. And basically what it is a recording studio microphone isolation shield with stand. Alright, so and I guess it allows you to do, like, let's just say if you wanted to do voiceovers, you want to record music, so this definitely will help you. Alright, now before we fully get into this unboxing, okay, let's get into our intro. Welcome back. Okay, boxes. Okay, so first thing first, when I first got this, I got this. Alright, so you got this, which is your, I guess this is your, where you put the mic at, yeah. This is something like, you talking to the mic, something like that, from what I see. All right, and then we have the stand, isolation shield. This thing's so small. Isolation shield. This is what you call a pop filter. Alright, you have your microphone slider bar, which is, I guess this is this right here. It's a slider bar. You have the heavy duty clamp. It's called a heavy duty clamp thingy. That's the thingy. So this is what's gonna hold the isolation shield onto this. Alright. So let's alright, so two screws. Oh, okay. I guess these are the screws. Okay, so yeah, these are the screws right here. I didn't think this thing was this small. I thought it was bigger. But I guess that's what it is. I guess that's exactly what it is, alright? Alright family, if you guys are liking this video so far, man, you know, you interested in one of these, alright? If you liking this, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, alright? Make sure y'all follow. Okay, it definitely help me out, alright? Alright, so let's see how this works. This is two. I only got one. This will be two Allen keys. And he gave me one. Yeah, stingy there, y'all. Supposed to give us that two Allen key thing. They stingy. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. We will still work with this. So, alright, so all of that is there. And the good thing about this too, you don't necessarily have to have it on the stand. You can literally just have it like just itself. You see? You have it just itself, and yeah. You don't have to be literally on the stand. Alright, but alright. How do we get this? Unscrew the. Okay, that's unscrewed. All right. Unscrew the Allen screws from the back of the microphone isolation shield. Position the heavy-duty clamps on the back of the isolation shield. Screw in and tighten the Allen screws with the Allen. Okay, so. Oh, okay. Alright, so basically, you have these screws right here. Alright, you want to take these screws out. You want to take these out. These two screws. So you take the screws, good. And it's simple. From what I'm seeing, it's very simple. There's nothing for you to, you know, not as hard. Alright, so once you get that, take your Allen wrench. Alright, gonna tighten this up. So yeah, family, this right here is gonna bring so much opportunities for me because, like I said, you know what I mean? Whenever I get into something, it's not just for, there's other opportunities within this whole, me creating my own music label. Want to, in the future, you know, hopefully, you know, in the future, I will have a music studio. Getting ready. I already bought Logic Pro, so I must, you know, start doing beats. Start getting into, doing beats, make music, you know, maybe even rap, maybe even, you know what I'm saying, get into some rapping, you know what I mean? That's something I always wanted to do when I was younger, but I never did, you know what I'm saying? And who knows, you know what I'm saying? Who knows how far I can go, you know what I mean? With this. I become a rapper, I'm damn near 40 years old. I become a rapper at 40, yeah. It's crazy, man. But the good thing about it nowadays as times is changing, you know, back then it used to be like, well, you know, by the time you get this age, you know, I'm 37 years old, I'm almost 40, you know what I'm saying? So by the time you get this age, you know, a lot of people say, oh, you're too old to do this, do that, or you can't, you know, you old head. But I guess times is changing now, and you know, you got the internet, you got social media, you got everything, you know what I mean? So time is changing now, so it really don't matter how old you are, really. I mean, you can make music, and what I like about these times now is like, you know, everyone has access to your music because of the internet. As long as you know, you giving out the access, you putting out good material and all of that. So yeah, so people got access to it, to your music, and you know, you have different audience. It might be a, you know, different audience for you, you know, to accept, you mean, to like your music, you know what I'm trying to say? So that's the cool thing about, you know, music and just everything, you know, with modern days, things is working, you know what I'm trying to say? So there's always opportunities, no matter what age you are, there's opportunities out there for you, you know what I'm trying to say? So who knows, you know what I mean? Maybe I can start, you know, rapping, or, you know, make beats, producer, be an A&R, do all of that, man. Like I said, you know what I mean? I used to be in the, you know, entertainment business, did a lot. I did a lot. I can't even rap, but anyways, let's get back to this, alright? So, as y'all can see, I done tightened this up, alright? So once you tighten this, okay, that's that. Second, slide the heavy duty mountain stand into the double, into the double heavy duty clamps and secure tighten the clamps. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to, alright, so you want to kind of like unloosen this all the way. Alright, all the way. I don't know if you guys can see. Actually, I took this up. I don't know why I didn't take this up. I was doing this video. Alright, so y'all can see a little better. Alright, so you want to kind of like loosen it up. Alright, and what we're gonna do is, what it's saying I got to put I guess I'm going like this. Hold on. So, yeah, this is going to be like It's gonna be real tall, like, almost like this part can't go. It's crazy. Alright, fam, so, what is it? Let's go like, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see. My battery's about to die, family. This GoPro, that's one thing I don't like about the GoPro, man. The GoPro dies so fast. Alright, so I guess it's like this. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah. It's like that. You guys can see. Alright, so you guys wanna kinda like tighten it up. I don't know if you guys can see this. Alright, and then tighten this part. And then, yeah, see that, huh? See? Yeah, yeah. Alright, tighten it up. Tighten it up, tighten it up. Alright. Let's put this first. The popper, okay. Trying to figure out what's this for right here. I don't know, family. I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. I'm not sure. I think I got it. But I'm supposed to, this locking pin, yeah, I'm supposed to lock it in, I guess. Okay, so. Yeah, so I guess there's a locking pin. I want you guys to see a locking pin. And I see it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can see it right here, but I'm not really. Alright, family, welcome back. As y'all can see, I got it fixed. Alright. I had to do this video right here because the last part of the video, it kind of, I don't know, it won't, every time I try to upload it on my Final Cut Pro, it's acting up. So I don't know what I'm trying to say, but anyways, this is the setup of the I know you guys can't really see, but this is the rest of the setup of the what's it called? AXCESS Able studio stand. Alright, this is it right here. Basically what I was doing before in the other video, I was basically clamping this up. So what you do is you tighten this up, you know what I mean? When you tighten it up, you have this long thing here. Alright. Put this in on this pole right here. You tighten this up, tighten this part, tighten this right here. If you loosen it up, it'll go up and down. You know what I'm trying to say? So you can loosen this back up. Another thing too, I was checking out. I think I was trying to show you guys this, which is the this thing right here. It's supposed to be like a tightener. Like it's supposed to go in here. It's supposed to kind of secure this so this part right here won't fall. It's like extra security, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but for some reason, I don't know, I just got to maybe, make the hole, just loosen up the hole just a little bit bigger so it could go in. All right, so y'all see that and all. But yeah, basically, as you guys can see, this is my setup right here. All right, this is basically my Rode Caster Pro. All right, that I'm gonna be using as far as the interface. All right, I can always probably use a computer or something like that, but all right, so basically this is how it looks. Let me turn it around like this for you guys so y'all can see better. All right, so basically this is how it looks. Sorry, fam. Sorry. All right, so basically, this is it right here, family. You know what I mean? There's a setup here. You know what I mean? You can do voiceovers right here. Of course, you gotta have your mic. All right, my mic is all the way over there. So, but yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. You know what I'm saying? You guys, looking to do voiceovers, looking to sing. You know what I mean? Just do some, do something productive. You know what I mean? Or practice on your craft. All right, this would be perfect. All right. You guys see I have my headphones, got my interface. All right, this right here is what I would use to control the my voice, record. All right, family, so yeah, that's my video today. All right, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification. I'm not even sure if you guys could see me. Hit the notification bell, alright, and hit that like button, alright, and do all the good stuff, alright. I will see you guys on the next video, okay?